But what I discovered in 2025 was Barbara coming to India. I could not be more excited. As soon as I found out about this beautiful event that Barbara is coming to India, a fourth time comer to Barbara O'Neill's lecture today. What an honor to see and hear Barbara in person. It was like a lifetime dream come true.
She has exceeded all my expectations.
It's such an enlightening conversation always to have people like Barbara promoting preventive healthcare, which is exactly the need of the hour.
For me to learn about my gut, to know there are so many natural ways to heal it. Absolutely amazing to listen to her because what she says are all pearls of wisdom.
It was like a biology class with all her love and affection that she puts into the speech that she's doing.
Barbara O'Neill is fantastic.
And I'm a big fan. And I would say very loving and healing towards our bodies.
Way of explaining things. I think she's an excellent teacher.
The best part about Barbara is that she is very contextual.
As always, Barbara was very precise in explaining all the laws of health, which she has given all the pointers. I think we all know it.
They are rooted in simple science, simple math, simple understanding of body and biology.
Honestly, this is the first time I've heard her.
I've been listening to Barbara since 2020.
I am absolutely amazed.
It puts this focus back on the question we've all forgotten to ask, which is why? Why?
And with Barbara's guidance, I used castor oil. I can vouch for it. My cyst, they went in 3 weeks.
I've seen the effects of what nature can do and how our body can heal ourselves.
2 hours of complete knowledge.
And the powerhouse of knowledge that she is. And I'm in love with my body all over again.
So I would highly recommend people to always trust in their health and in their body, just like Barbara.
We really look forward to her coming to India. So thank you so much to come here.
And I'm so glad Deepa has managed to get Barbara for the first time in India.
So thanks to all the team members, Amsha and the others. We have got this taste of Barbara O'Neill.
Thank you, Barbara. And we love it that you're in Mumbai.
Thank you so much for bringing this workshop to Mumbai. I love you, Barbara.